Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making Arabian puff. For this, here I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Now first of all, I will heat the oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now meanwhile oil is heating, now let me show you other ingredients. Here I have taken 250 grams of chicken mince, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of chili flakes. Cabbage, capsicum and carrot, they all are 150 grams. Now oil is heated and now I'll add in ginger garlic first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'll fry it for a minute. Now after a minute I am adding chicken in it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will fry the chicken till it changes color. Now here chicken has changed its color and now I will add in water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Around half cup of water, and now I will cook this cover till water dries up and chicken is tender. Now meanwhile chicken is cooking, here I have to make a batter. For this I have taken half cup of corn flour, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and half cup of refined flour or maida. I'll mix both these together. And now I will gradually add in water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I have to make a smooth, lump-free runny batter. Now here I have made a runny batter. Now keep this aside. And here I have taken one more ingredient. This is pita bread. And these are easily available in the market. You can see this is slightly thick. I will roll out these pita breads with the help of rolling pin to flatten them. Now here you can see water has been dried up, and now I will add in all the spices. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I'll give it a good stir. Now after mixing all the spices, I'll add in sauces. Soya sauce, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and chili sauce. Again I'll mix them well. After mixing both the sauces and spices, now I will add in these vegetables. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I'll stir fry them for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, I am covering this pan, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and now I will cover this pan for 5 minutes so that vegetables should slightly get tender. After 5 minutes, I am removing the lid. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now at this stage, this filling is done. And now I will leave it to cool completely. Now here I have rolled the pita breads very thinly. Here I have taken breadcrumbs. The filling is completely cooled and batter is ready. Now first of all, take one pita bread. Brush this same batter. We have made this batter now. Brush this batter on the edges. Bismillah. Like this. Now this is done. And after doing this, take the filling, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and put it in the center. Now filling is totally up to you, how much you want. Now after adding the filling, fold it into D shape. Like this. Now after doing this, either dip this puff in the batter or brush this batter all over the puff. Like this. One side I have done, and here I have taken these breadcrumbs. Take this puff and roll this batter side in the crumbs. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Press it. Similarly, I'll make all the puffs. Here I have prepared all the puffs, and here I have added oil in the pan. I am shallow frying these puffs now. Now one by one I will add the puffs in the oil. Now here I have added these puffs in the pan. I'll fry them till they turn light golden in color. Arabian puffs are ready to be served. I have cut this one into 2 parts. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.